So we're in my storage neighbor Larry's motorhome, and he's got problems with his carbon monoxide detector going off when it shouldn't be. These things only last 5 years. After 5 years, it's not protecting you and you need to change it out anyway. When I got my motorhome, it was 16 years old and this had never been changed. So stay on top of this. This could save your life. All right, this is held in with 2 screws. Red to red and black to white. All right, so we're putting some new connectors on. And since this is the supply side of the power, I always like to put the fully booted female terminal on this side. I always like to give a tug, make sure we get a good connection. And we've got power. I think we're in business. And we may have just saved Larry's life. Thanks for watching. I looked at it. This one was made in 2016, so the 5-year rule, this one was dead.